Oh, it's coming along nicely, guys. Look at this. Not too much updates since the last time I was here, but they got some more structured walls up. Now, again, I was actually talking about someone. Will this actually be something, an induction into the DC universe? Shout out to Chris as well. Will this be a Arkham Asylum or like a Joker type of attraction? Who knows, right? We'll see. I mean, only time will tell. All right, guys, we're gonna start out with some Scary Farm updates at the back lot. This is how you start a video, because we have a lot to cover. Happy Easter. We are back here at Knott's Berry Farm to give you guys some updates at the park, but also drop some breaking news from the Peanuts Worldwide LLC in regards to seasonal Snoopy. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. I had just gotten informed that Knott's Berry Farm is changing the Easter Beagle, and they actually did change the Easter Beagle. Now, the Easter Beagle we know of is this right here. That's our Easter Beagle. Now, according to Peanuts Worldwide LLC, that is not part of the cartoon, so they made a full-on change of the Easter Beagle that we see of now. What? So, in a sense, are they saying because it's not part of the cartoon, are they going to get rid of the Blues Brothers Beagle? Are they going to get rid of all different types of seasonals and also performance beagles all across the board? I mean, they're not part of the cartoon, so are they going to start, is this going to be a slippery slope that Knott's Berry Farm is going to jump into, where they're going to start changing the characters because they don't fit the cartoon? That's so weird. That right there is still my Easter Beagle. It's Pigpen! Woo! That's crazy how much of a change that, you know, one company says can change the course of Easter in general. So weird to see that Snoopy in general, but again, it's still great to see Snoopy. We love Snoopy, but here at MonteZOOMa's, it's peeking. You can definitely see a little bit of the arch, the peak up of MonteZOOMa. I like it, but is the cup still there? Yes, it is. Is the little piece chunk missing? Yep, it's still here. All right, you cinema slashers fans right here, dude, we can actually step inside of here, which is the overflow seating for the Boysenberry Festival. But being inside there, man, I don't know. I was like more or less looking at different walls, different textures, how to actually get inside. But it's so cool, man. That right there, it actually, first entrance in, you can feel a lot of the where these cinema slashers, you know, portions are. So great, man. Well, check it out. Wipeout is officially back, dude. They actually have it now set up and ready to go. It is being pretty much tested out right now. This is fantastic. But it's funny thing, it's actually closed today, but they may or may not open it for Easter. All right, so let's see what's new and updated at Cordy's Corner. $31.99 goes this shirt right here with all little boysenberries with Snoopy. And then for $54.99, we have this sweater. And then we have some brand new refillable drinkware, which is about, you pay $8.99 for all day refills. Goodness, look at it. It's our favorite miner. Happy Easter. I know, you had your fill already for the day, but you know what? We need a little bit more of boysenberry, right? There's always room for one more. It's always great to see you, Mr. Widows. We love you. Happy Easter. Oh, check it out. Look at, they got the dude back, but they actually put some flowers in his hand. That's funny. All right, Nate, you outdone yourself. Look at this. It's Jake from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. So a question all of us is asking, the money here at Knott's Berry Farm. Now they have enough money to put the wilderness grab and go right there, which it just seems like very lackluster and just not well thought out. I don't know. They spent all that money on getting that done, but they don't spend the money on actually getting Camp Snoopy done or even MonteZOOMa's. And it actually is pretty funny. I actually went to Universal Studios and they got Fast and Furious, their Universal Creative got Fast and Furious up and running in months. And they can't do that here at MonteZOOMa's Revenge. I don't understand that at all. That is really odd, dude. All right, so they have two $100 30-inch Snoopys and Charlie Brown. Look at the size of these guys, dude. See, that's an Easter gift for you guys. Oh, here it is. Could this be one of the locations where they're gonna have for In-N-Out? I mean, never know, right? Be a prime location for that. What do you guys think? In-N-Out right here? Not the inside. Now, they haven't confirmed the inside of Knott's Berry Farm. It's got the prime seating, to be honest with you. Look at this. There's enough seating here. Also, it would be great if we had the seating here for the buffet. Look at this guy. Look at this guy right here. Hey. See, there wouldn't be a dance hall without Randy over
I
here,
was the
dude.
first one to touch the talkies of the day. So just to let you know.
But who's the first?
Nobody else can say they were the first one to touch
Hey,
the
whoa, who's
talkies.
gonna be the first one to purchase them?
Oh, were they already in the
Oh, hey, we got a SoCal Tall guy in the building.
What's the cheapest thing here?
We got a Crash right here.
What's up?
I want to give a giant shout out to Ophelia's Grim. That is a bracelet she actually made for Adventures with David. I'll possibly making these a giveaway for you guys to if you guys actually see me in Spooky Swap Meet or any other cons. All right, guys, that is how we end today's adventure here at Knott's Berry Farm. We saw some massive updates regarding the park updates. We actually even talked about what the Peanuts Worldwide LLC actually did to Easter Beagle. So we spent Easter here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Before you guys head out, make sure you guys give this video an awesome thumbs up. If you guys haven't, please subscribe down below. And also, we are onward to the next adventure. Let's go.